Hey friends, if you wish to remove underline in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's the thing. You may have certain text which is underlined here. Okay. So you can simply press Control plus U and it will be gone. Now this is the shortcut. If I press it again, I'll get the underline again. So in the home page, in the font section, there is something called as U. I mean, this is something which we knew when we were using Word as kids: bold, italic, and underline. Just click on this, and the underline will be gone. Okay, but here's the catch. Let us say I have multiple underlines here. Okay, I have one here, and then I have one here, and then I have one to I mean I have many of these throughout the text, and let us say these are 300 or 400 pages. So what would I do in that case? And I wish to remove all underlines throughout. So here's what you can do. Click anywhere on the page and press Control A, then press underline once again. It will underline everything, and then press it once again. So press it twice and it will be gone. Similarly, you can press Control plus U once and Control plus U once again, and all the underlines would be gone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.